There are loads of selfie sticks out there, but not all of them are worth buying, and these are the 5 selfie sticks I actually use and I recommend. Most of these work well for both 360 cameras as well as single lens action cameras like GoPro, Ace Pro 2 and DJI Action 5 Pro. And I've left a link to all of these in the description below. If you buy one selfie stick, then make it this one, which is the standard selfie stick from Insta360. It's the perfect balance between compact and long, and it's 23 centimeters when closed, and then it has a friction design, so you pull it out and it just holds itself in position using friction, and you can extend this to 114 centimeters. And it's super lightweight. You'll get clean and visible shots, and it fits easily in your bag, and there's a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom if you want to mount it to a tripod. It's also the most affordable option, which is why this is so popular. And this is my everyday stick. It's just simple, reliable, and it works. If you're not worried about your selfie stick being ultra compact, then the one that I would recommend is this one from Best360, and it's an aluminium selfie stick, works on the same design as the Insta360 one in that it's friction controlled, but the closed length is bigger. So this is 35 centimeters, so you can see that it's much bigger in its closed position than the Insta360 stick. But the benefit here is not so much the size in the closed position, because obviously that could be a slight disadvantage. But the benefit here is the open position. So when this is fully extended, it goes to a massive 150 centimeters. So this is ideal for those creative no drone, no problem style follow shots, as well as if you put this onto a tripod, it goes to head height. So this is perfect to get that natural look for virtual tours, for example. And to mount this to a tripod, it's got a 1/4 inch thread on the base, so it's really easy. And Best360 have also released a version 3 of this stick, which is the same size in its closed position, but it reaches a massive 200 centimeters when it's fully extended. So this is easily one of the most versatile selfie sticks that you can buy right now. So this folding selfie stick from Insta360, this is more about portability and convenience. When it's closed, it's only 16 centimeters and it folds in half, so you can literally throw it in a coat or your pocket or a small bag with your camera still attached if it's a 360 camera. And it extends to 58 centimeters, which is plenty for walking or vlogging shots. It also has a built-in tripod, which is really convenient. And if you're using one of Insta360's cameras, there's a slot here for the mini remote control that works with some of their cameras in the range. And even if you can't use the remote, well, this actually comes with a little case where you can put your micro SD cards, and this just magnetically attaches here to the handle. So this is perfect for travel and events or anywhere where you just want to stay a little bit low profile. So the extended selfie stick, this definitely isn't for everyone, but it's definitely also one of the most fun sticks to use. So this is carbon fiber and it extends up to a massive 3 meters for those really cool no drone, no problem shots. And in its closed position, it's around about 36 centimeters, so it's a little bit bigger than the Best360 stick. But it's also a lot thicker. But it's still small enough that you can slot this into your backpack. And again, this is friction design, so you can open it and stop it at any length in between the 3 meters and the 36 centimeters. And even when this is fully opened, even though there's a little bit of flex on it, it still generally feels really solid. Even though there is a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom though, I wouldn't suggest that you mount this to a tripod, because if you mount it to a tripod and extend it, the leverage of that length will just rip this straight out of the thread. But for those creative shots and those huge wide angle high perspectives, well, this is the stick that you want to choose. So this is the multi-mount from Insta360 and PGY Tech, and this one is a little bit different. It's not strictly a tool for 360 cameras, it's more about flexible tripod that you can use for single lens point and shoot cameras like the GoPro or Ace Pro 2 or the Action 5, for example. So this is a grip, so you can hold it for vlogging and mount your camera on top. It's also a tripod and it's a selfie stick. And when I say selfie stick, it's kind of more like a zigzag multi-mount arm. So you can open it up and use it in all sorts of positions, or you can make it as straight as possible and use it like a selfie stick, but this would show up if you're using a 360 camera. But these elbow joints do make it super versatile for mounting in different and awkward positions. If you're switching between 360 cameras and regular cameras though, this is a really handy one to have in your kit bag. And I also attach a phone mount to this because you can then position the Magic Arm in a really good position for video calls. So let me know in the comments, which selfie stick do you use? Is it one of these or have you got something better? And if you want to learn how to get the most out of your 360 camera with all of these sticks, then check out my 360 beginners course in the description below. The course takes you from complete beginner to confident creator with step-by-step lessons that help you master your 360 camera and shoot better and faster. For more 360 tips, you can watch this video next, and I'll see you over there.